In this capsule, we are going to talk about cost-benefit analysis. What is cost-benefit analysis, and what are the different methods to undertake it? A cost-benefit analysis is a financial analysis generally used to compare several asset renewal projects. For example, when replacing a pump, a choice on different models exists. Through cost-benefit analysis, investment models can be chosen according to the objective set. This analysis is a tool to compare all the costs and benefits of each project. To carry out this analysis, we are now going to describe the three methods that exist. To understand these three methods, it is necessary to understand what cash flow is. This term refers to the sum of outgoing cash flow, i.e. costs, and incoming cash flow, i.e. profits. The first method consists of representing the change in an asset's cash flow that has accumulated gradually over months or years. Then we will look at the moment when this cumulative cash flow becomes positive. This is called the payback period. The shorter this period, the quicker the asset will be cost-effective. The second method is called return on investment, ROI. It is calculated in relation to the net profit that the asset provides and the amount of the investment when buying the asset. It is generally expressed as percentage. The higher the percentage, the quicker the asset's return on investment. Lastly, an indicator that enables asset renewal projects to be compared is the calculation of the net present value, NPV. The cost-effectiveness of an investment can be studied by measuring whether or not the return of investment set can be achieved. To this, a fixed rate of return that corresponds to the capital invested for the renewal project can be set. This is called the discounted rate. The investment is cost-effective when the net present value is positive, i.e. when the discounted value of revenue is higher than the capital invested. This indicator enables the internal rate of return of an investment, IRR, to be determined. This corresponds to the discounted rate for which the net present value is zero. In other words, this is the point when the capital invested and the discounted cash flow break even. This indicator compares the investments made at different periods and the project's long-term cost-effectiveness. The most advantageous project is one in which the rate of return is the highest. For example, let us compare projects A and B. It is possible that the cumulative cash flow of project A becomes positive before that of project B, but project B will become more cost-effective than project A once this period has passed. Depending upon the objective set, one strategy will be chosen over another, or compromises made. These three methods are generally used in parallel in order that investments are compared using several criteria. Let us start by the key concepts. A cost-benefit analysis is a financial analytical method comparing several asset renewal projects. Three methods exist: the cumulative cash flow study, return on investment study, the discounted cash flow study using the net present value.